the numbers goes high, and obviously professors I need at minimum 300 to 400 samples, which is quite difficult as a undergraduate student to find that amount of numbers. And when you go to professors and say it's like, you got to do something about these numbers, and we can't find this, and we had to say that, professor, that numbers is absolutely impossible to find that amount of numbers with such a short amount of time. And the professors just simply say, just code it. Code it means either give it to the random people, just randomly fill those samples, and then trying to find it out. If it works, then you got the numbers. If it's not, you have to redo those samples again and again until you get your needed result that professor accepted, and then go ahead with that. And then, oh, like now, if I show you the chart, right? The the chart, the chart of published pub